What up? Unbreakable Kick Show Army. Got another early review for y'all, man. I'm headed to G-Main to go pick these joints up right now. And hopefully, Army, this Air Jordan 1 kind of, get people off the Air Jordan 1 Mocha. I feel like people still kind of high off the Air Jordan 1 Mochas. I'm excited to see these Air Jordan 1 patent leather metallic gold joints. I still got my complex con joints, the top 3 gold joints. I sold my gold toes, I want to say either early this year or last year, because I honestly felt like it was no need to have both of them. But from what I'm hearing, Army, these joints will be very limited. So again, I'm headed to G-Main right now to go pick up a pair, do this review for you guys, and of course, we'll discuss more when we get into the vault. Let's get it.
Always fly with it, man. The dappiest reseller that I know, bro. Hey, bro. Hey. I seen your snap yesterday talking about them.
But what's your... know these OG heads, man. I already know you're gonna need like at least 2 or 3 pair of these.
Quick question for the Army, because you know the Army rock with you heavy. Those or Mochas?
Army, these
over Mochas?
Man,
you already said Mochas was Jordan 1 of the year, bro.
Only reason I said that because when I was a kid, I used to always want these, bro. Like, I always wanted this pair. I was never able to afford this pair. The Mochas, they didn't have the Mochas back then. So these, it hit home. Like, it hit harder to me. So,
and Army, we gonna discuss the pair. We gonna discuss the pair that G-Main talking about.
Yes.
It was a pair similar to that came out in 2013.
Man. And like, man, this hit, man.
The boy stuttering, man.
Man.
He love him, yo. He love him. Army, y'all already know I'm gonna check them joints out in the vault, and I'm gonna see if these better than Mocha ones. Army, y'all comment down below. Let us know.
I ain't even gonna say these better, but it's just this sentimental.
Okay.
Sentimental pair to me, like
I feel you.
Man.
What up, Unbreakable Kicks Army, back in the vault, and as you guys can see, I'm just gonna stand up and show y'all I got the whole sneaker throne you did going on right here. Got the organs. The one right here is Oregon. Second one is Oregon. And I got some OVOs down here. Not sure if you guys can see it, but still working in the vault. Still trying to get everything in order. Still got the other drop front cases behind me. If you guys want to get any other sneaker throne containers, make sure you guys use promo code UBK Army. It will give you a discount. Just wait till the whole entire vault is done. Just wait, I'm excited for it. And from the beginning of the video, y'all already seen what we have right here in this box. Again, shout out to my homie G-Main for letting me see his personal pair so that I can give the Unbreakable Army an early review. As you guys see, these joints come in your standard Air Jordan 1 box. And these don't drop until, I believe, November 30th. And most DTLRs in Chicago did get their Air Jordan 1 Mocha, so I missed the call. I didn't get a call. I was at home doing all this stuff, and I'm not tripping. Army, like I said, Tuesday and Wednesday was going to be vital days. Today is Wednesday, and some of the DTLRs did get their shipment in. So, again, make sure you got your ears to the street if you're still trying to get those Mochas for retail. I seen on finishline.com this morning, Royal Toes did a restock. A couple members of the Army let me know that they caught pairs too. I missed it, but Army, make sure y'all got those alerts. Make sure y'all just got everything ready. I feel like Mochas are still going to be restocking. So make sure y'all got y'all alerts set on y'all phone. If y'all still not over the Mochas, make sure y'all got y'all alerts ready. Now, label on these joints read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is black metallic gold black. This is a size 12 G-Main's personal pair, and retail is $170 on these joints. Go ahead and flip the lid. Got our Nike lock right there. Standard Air Jordan 1 paper. And to the kicks, man. And I'm excited about this release right here because if y'all remember G-Main talking about when he was a little bit younger and it was a pair of Air Jordan 1s like this that he, couldn't afford at the time. It was the Air Jordan 1 black and gold patent leathers that released in 2013. Most of those pairs are going about $2,500, $3,000 depending on the seller. And these joints are actually nice, man. They do definitely give me like the complex con top 3 gold vibe. Or if you got the gold toes, the black and gold, it does something with Air Jordan 1s, especially when they throw patent leather on it. Now, from what I'm hearing, these joints will be limited. Now, we hear that all the time, you know what I'm saying? But do you hear that these joints will be a lot more limited than the Mocha? So if you got your Mochas, cool. It's, you know what I'm saying? It's time to move on to these Jordan 1s right here. Let me know in the comment section below if these joints are a must cop. Y'all already know, Army, about to jump on the turntable, give you guys an up-close personal look at these joints. Then we can jump back in front of the camera to end the video off. Alright, Army, got the box on the turntable, and of course, we got ourselves a standard Air Jordan 1 box. Label on these joints read Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Color is black metallic gold black. Again, size 12, and retail on these joints is $170. And right now, the release date is November 30th. Check out the paper, standard paper. We got our lot number right there. Smashing the joints on the turntable, man. And they come in Air Jordan 1s of patent leather. Gold, white, and black always just does great things for Air Jordan 1. So I definitely see these doing some numbers. Now, I'm not going to say this is going to jump out the bat being a $500-600 shoe by the end of the year. But as time progresses, this shoe will definitely go up. Like I said, the pair from 2013 is in a, $2,000-3,000 price tag, depending on the buyer. If you're lucky, you probably can find a pair for $1,800. You know what I'm saying? But it took 7 years. I wouldn't even say it took 7 years for that shoe to get that high. But this shoe would definitely be a $600-700 shoe down the line. I just honestly, with this shoe, I can't really say like by the end of next year or whatever. But this shoe would definitely do some things. So if you can get a couple for retail, I will personally sit on these. Outsole, all black outsole, triple black outsole, so no other colors. Love the midsole. You got an all black midsole, but you do got this metallic gold stitching right here. So nice little hit that Jordan Brand gave us. Shiny, tap dance, glossy, church shoe looking black leather, black patent leather right here on the shoe, man. Kind of give me like, I don't know, like some Michael Jackson shoes or something. Michael Jackson, one of my favorite artists of all time, man. And seeing these joints, man, it honestly just made me think about them. You got your gold Nike swoosh right here. Gold Air Jordan wing emblem. Gold up here on the ankle system. You do got a spare pair of gold laces. Black on the tongue. Black factory laces. Also on the tongue, you got your metallic gold and Nike Air right there. So pretty plain and simple, straight to it. You know what I'm saying? I really like these. I really like these. I would not call these Jordan 1 of the year. I still personally will pick the Air Jordan 1 Mochas over these. But if you already got the Mochas and you done and you like these, I definitely think that this is definitely a shoe to cop. Insole, you got black insole, you got that metallic gold Nike Air, and that's pretty much it on these joints, man. Straight and to the point, kind of simple, a little bit of color contrast here and there, and that's about it, Army. So I'm gonna get these joints one more quick 360, then we're gonna jump back in front of the camera to end the video off. Alright, Army, now that you guys have seen the Air Jordan 1 patent leather black metallic gold, how do you feel about them? And one thing, Army, these are called patent leather, P-A-T-E-N-T leather, L-E-A-T-H-E-R. These are not called pat and leather, not P-A-T-A-N-D-L-E-A-T-H-E-R. No. So stop calling these joints pat and leather. It's patent leather, okay? Bro, I don't know, man. When people call them pat and leather like it's two people. To me, Army, these are definitely waterproof. And I always said this, Army. I've said it, and I'm going to say it again. Jordan 1s with patent leather always hold value. Look at Gold Toes. Look at Top 3s. Look at the Jordan 1 Chicago UNCs. Started off slow, but they definitely trending up right now. So these joints will definitely hold their value. It all depends. It all depends that people still get their Mochas. Mochas is going to make or break this shoe right here. If the whole Mocha madness is over with, then yes, these will do numbers. But they still going to do numbers because these are supposed to be limited. Now, prices are in Chicago going around $400, $500, depending on the seller. But I did see a major drop in the price. Now, I'm not sure if price is going to go back up before release or if it's going to stay around that low $400, mid $350. We gotta wait and see. Again, these joints don't drop until the end of November, and we still got the Jordan 1 Midnight Navies dropping as well. So we just gotta wait and see what the market do on these joints. But again, Army, these are Vault approved, and I will definitely be keeping the pair. So G-Main was right. And other than that, you got your boy Unbreakable. Again, you got the Air Jordan 1 patent leather black metallic golds. You got the Unbreakable Vault. Unbreakable Army, stand strong like always. Hug your loved ones. And we out.